How to fix the touch screen not responding on your iPhone? Restart your iPhone. The first thing we recommend you do is to force restart your device. If the issue is due to software problems like a bug or a glitch, a simple restart should solve it, and your touch screen should become responsive again. Clean the screen. Maybe the issue is not with the software but outside factors like a dirty screen. Take a cloth and clean your iPhone screen so it's squeaky clean. Then check if the screen responds to your touch. Make sure your fingers are also clean. Cool down the iPhone. If you notice that your iPhone screen becomes unresponsive when the outside shell gets very hot, turn off the device immediately. That's probably due to the iPhone overheating. It can overheat when you have too many apps open. It can also happen when you charge your iPhone with wireless and fast chargers. Remove the screen protector. A screen protector can also be the reason why your touch screen is unresponsive. Remove it and check if the screen responds to your touch. If it does, then get rid of the protector. If you want to have a screen protector on your iPhone, change it to a proper one. Update apps. Open the App Store. Tap on your profile icon. Scroll down. You'll see the upcoming automatic updates section if any updates are available. Check if the app is on the list. If it is, tap on Update. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app. Go to General Settings. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and select Reset all settings. Enter the device passcode and confirm the action. Update the operating system. Open the Settings app. Go to General Settings. Then tap on Software Update. Wait while your device searches for an update. If found any, tap on Download and Install. Factory reset the iPhone. That means everything will be deleted from your device. Connect your iPhone to a Mac or a Windows computer. Unlock the iPhone. On Mac, open Finder and click on your iPhone's name. On your computer, open iTunes and click on the phone icon. On Finder, in the Software section, click on Restore iPhone. On iTunes, in the Summary tab, click on Restore iPhone. You'll be asked to back up the data on your iPhone. You can choose to back up or don't back up. Confirm the action by clicking on Restore. If Find My is enabled, reset iPhone to factory setting using iCloud. Go to cloud.com/find and log into your iCloud account. At the top, click on the All Devices drop-down menu and select your iPhone's name. From the iPhone menu, click on Erase iPhone. Confirm the action by clicking on Erase. Unfortunately, if you have not backed up the iPhone, all your information will be deleted. Check for mechanical damage. If the touch screen is still unresponsive, check for any signs of mechanical damage. If your device fell on a hard surface or received a strong hit, the touchscreen sensors could be damaged. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.